Alright, last time I reviewed the blue one. Now we got the Island Pineapple Spiked Punch, 12% alcohol by volume, Mad Dog 2020. You know how it goes. Contains alcohol, no shit, that's why I bought it. Alright, now we're gonna see what it tastes like. I would assume it tastes like pineapple. That is gross. But yeah, it's yellow. Last time was blue, now it's yellow. Then they do all the... I guess next would be orange. They have an orange one too. I'm gonna try the pineapple one first. Oh, I just splashed some on my hand, bruh. But we don't waste alcohol, not even a drop. Alright. So, my review goes like this. I taste it and I tell you how shitty it is. Alright, let's go. I don't recommend it unless you really like pineapple. I don't like pineapple that much. Hey, look, it's Pokemon Coliseum. This game is amazing. Maybe I'll review this some other time. It's actually really good. So it tastes like pineapple. It actually goes down pretty harsh. Island pineapple, 16 ounces. Big bark, hard bite of flavor. I think they're referring to the harsh malt liquor taste. And it's only $1. It's less than $2. It was only $1 something. I think I have the receipt right here. It was $1.49. So $1.49 for this, not bad. It was the cheapest drink at the store that was also has alcohol in it. So $1.50 plus tax, I guess. I mean, for that reason alone, it's not bad. You can pay like twice as much and get Four Loko, and then you might die. But yep, that was my review of Mad Dog 2020 Island Pineapple. Hope you enjoyed it. It's so fizzy.